Hey guys, in case you haven't heard yet, I wrote a book. It's called Study With Me, and this is a guide to bullet journaling specifically created for students. So it includes advice for beginners, tutorial spreads specifically about certain school subjects, lots of example photos, lettering and doodle tutorials, and lots of great bullet journal related content. My co-author Alyssa and I are going to be having a live stream at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 7 p.m. if you're on the East Coast. In this live stream, we'll be answering some of your questions from the chat, we'll be reading out passages from the book, and we'll be doing some giveaways of the book and some nice stationery that will assist you on your bullet journaling journey if you decide to do that with the tips from the book. To join the live stream, just visit the Instagram page of my co-author at Crafty Slime Creator. And of course, don't forget to buy the book now that it's released if you're interested in learning all about bullet journaling. You can find it at bit.ly/StudyWithMeBook. I will link it right here and in the description box. Also, I know today doesn't technically count as pre-ordering, but I'm gonna extend the pre-order bonus deadline to today. So if you order the book by today and email your receipt or order confirmation to studywithme@quarto.com. Once again, I will also link this information in the description. You can get access to some exclusive lettering tutorials for the different lettering styles that are presented in the Chapter 3 Beautifying Your Bullet Journal section of the book. If that interests you, I'll be sure to have more information in the description below. Anyways, I don't want to keep pressuring you to buy the book. You don't have to do it. Feel free to keep just supporting my free YouTube video content. But if you do want a paper-bound book that I am very proud of, then go ahead and check it out. Thanks for your time, and see you on the live stream today.